How to fix Facebook emoji. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then it and scroll down and click on storage. On storage now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop, click also OK. And what you should do guys, now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and then you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.